Neeraj Chopra
हाँ.
is a fine example of how, if your minds are not, say, colonized and no inferiority complex, what can you possibly achieve? And that is something that Haryana has today. It just needs proper tapping. Chandigarh का रास्ता दिल्ली से निकलता है. It was a common saying and common understanding in Haryana.
You had Raj Babbar almost win Gurgaon. He had only 20 days.
He was not contesting the election.
Huh.
Hooda was contesting that election.
What went wrong for the BJP in the 2024 general elections?
My God, there's no build-up, huh?
No build-up. Straight away.
Candidate selection was an issue. In fact, I remember जिस दिन कैंडिडेट अनाउंस हुए थे उसी दिन लोगों ने बोल दिया था अब इलेक्शन राइट हो गया. हरियाणा में बीजेपी का संगठन कभी था ही नहीं सॉलिड. एंड इवन इन 2014 व्हाट ब्रॉट देम इनटू पावर वाज मोदी फैक्टर.
BJP cannot afford to lose another assembly election because that will send out signals कि भाई assembly भी हार रहे हैं. You didn't get 400 पार.
Which is precisely why I think Amit Shah ji has come forward and taken over the command of Haryana BJP.
Haryana, the land of gods? How land of gods?
Contemporary research over the years and over decades rather has shown that there are multiple mounds which are found in parts of Haryana. But Haryana के अंदर ऐसी कोई नदी तो है नहीं. So if the civilization is based on the banks of the river, where is the river? That river essentially is the river Saraswati. Saraswati के banks पर ही the battle of 10 kings was fought. जिसके अंदर a tribe who was contesting the other 10 kings was the tribe of Bharatas. इस देश का नाम इंडिया that is भारत हम बोलते हैं. तो भारत नाम जिस tribe के नाम पर लिया गया were the tribes who were living on the banks of river Saraswati, very much in the neighborhood of Kurukshetra.